Hi, Adam.
Hi.
You've done a lot of impressive things in your life, but I was never more proud of you than when you walked into the kitchen and you said to me, I can do an impression of the coffee machine.
I did say that.
So, Grace, we have got 6 clips of either Adam or coffee machine. Have you ever done this before?
Yeah, actually funny. Yesterday, I did exactly the same thing.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Someone
with the
else was
fridge.
like, okay. Here we go.
That's definitely Adam.
That is Adam.
Yeah.
Very well played.
Thank
Very
you.
well played.
That was impressive, though. Good job.
Thank you. Next one.
Oh.
Is that Adam or is that coffee machine?
Coffee machine.
That is coffee machine. Yes. Very, very well done.
Really
2 out
well.
of 2 so far. Noise 5 out of 6. Adam or coffee machine? Gonna have to press you for an answer. Adam or coffee machine?
Coffee
Grace?
machine.
That was Adam.
Oh, no, I couldn't. How'd you get the
with
bubbling
me,
sound?
I was blowing bubbles into a glass
Oh,
of water.
no. This is actual sabotage.
Grace, the final noise. Is this Adam or is this coffee machine?
Adam.
The final noise. That is Adam.
Yeah,
We
what's
got
that
4
for?
out of 6.
Oh, that's all right, that. Are we having a live demonstration? Please. Please, Adam,
Oh
do
my
it.
god.
Sounds like trapped souls.
Yeah, a little bit, yeah.
Do you like audio?
No.